The teachings of Mahatma Gandhi hold a power that transcends time and space, a power that inspires us to be better, to act with love, and to bring about meaningful change in our world. In this video, we're diving deep into the wisdom of one of history's greatest visionaries. Let's explore the teachings that can guide our actions, shape our world, and motivate us every single day, all orchestrated in a song that carries Gandhi's timeless words to inspire your journey of transformation. Gandhi wasn't just a leader, he was a coach for humanity, urging each of us to be better, live better, and love better. Today, let's let his wisdom guide us through every challenge, every opportunity, and every goal we set for ourselves. Let's begin by committing to
be the change that you wish to see in the world.
Don't wait for someone else to act. You are the change maker. Whether it's taking one extra step, helping someone in need, or being kind when it's easier not to be, your actions make all the difference.
The future depends on what you do today.
And that's why we're here. Every effort you make today is not just shaping your day, it's shaping your future. Remember,
in a gentle way, you can shake the world.
True power comes not with force, but with consistency, courage, and calm determination. You can move mountains one step at a time. Now let's talk about happiness.
Happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony.
Today, align your mind, your words, and your actions. Set your intention, commit to it, and watch how the universe begins to cooperate. The best version of yourself is within reach. All you need to do is align your thoughts with your actions. Remember,
the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others.
When the going gets tough, look beyond yourself. Lift someone up, give, share, and serve, because when you help others rise, you'll find yourself lifted too. It's in serving others that we truly discover what we're capable of. Now let's go forward with strength.
First, they ignore you. Then they laugh at you. Then they fight you. Then you win.
Setbacks are steps to success. Each challenge is an opportunity to grow. Don't stop. Don't give up. Keep pushing until you reach the top. And remember, forgiveness isn't a weakness.
The weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is the attribute of the strong.
Today, let go of any anger, any resentment. When you forgive, you're freeing yourself, and there is nothing more powerful than a free heart and mind.
Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever.
Keep learning, keep moving, keep growing, and don't just dream about a better world. Be the change that brings it into reality.
Rise up. No time for stalling. Feel the power within. Make a choice, take a stand, take a step today. Lend a helping hand. The world needs dreamers and fighters too, but most of all, it needs people like you. The change you want, it starts in your heart. Let's bring it together. Now's the time to start. New dreamers and fighters too, but most of all it needs people like you. The change you want, it starts in your heart. Let's bring it together, now's the time to start. Be the change you want to see. Take a stand, live it free. One step at a time, break through the fear. The future's bright and the moment is here. Live like tomorrow's just a step away. Learn like you got forever to stay. Shape the world in a gentle way. Be the change today. They'll ignore you first, they'll laugh in your face, but you got the strength to keep up the pace. When the world gets tough, let forgiveness shine. The strong hold on, but they let go in time. Sever helping heart, let it set you free. Find yourself in the love you give endlessly. No eye for an eye, we'll see the light. Together we'll stand, together we'll fight. In every word you say, in every move you make, feel the power, feel the love in every breath you take. Align your thoughts and actions, let the harmony flow. Together we can rise and let the world know. Be the change you want to see. Take a stand, live another day. Together we'll grow, together we'll stay. Be the change today. And ignore you first, then laugh in your face, but you've got the strength to keep up the pace. When the world gets tough, let forgiveness shine. The strong hold on, but they let go in time. Live like tomorrow's just a step away. Learn like you've got forever to stay. Shape the world in a gentle way. Be the change today. In every word you say, in every move you make, feel the power, feel the love.